In this video, I'll show you how to create "It's Genocide, Not a War" Add Your Story on Instagram. So if you want to become a part of this trending Add Your Story, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Instagram and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you're tapping on search and you're searching for this account, Add Your Sticks. So once you see it, go ahead and visit the profile page. Scroll down until you see the highlight section. In May 2024, tap on it. Now scroll through these trending Add Your Story until you find "It's Genocide, Not War." And once you see it, go ahead and tap on Add Yours. Now go ahead and add this to your Instagram story and you'll become part of this Add Your Story. And there you go, that is how to become a part of this trending Add Your Story called "It's Genocide, Not a War." Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.